Mm. Mm. Na me?
After babe, the soup sweet.
You suppose sweet now. Why you no go sweet?
Wetin you mean say e suppose sweet why e no go sweet?
How much they use cook the soup? Soup wey dey use 15,000 naira cook. Why you no go sweet? If they no, if the soup no sweet, they supposed to flog the soup for 15,000.
Okay, na the money now make am sweet. No
You know,
wonder they say better soup na money keep
oga no
am
be
there.
wetin I dey talk. If the soup no sweet, the gas they supposed to flog the soup.
No.
Don dey tell me. Then they talk that one. Ah,
Enjoy your food.
you know, when that time when we dey for village, you know how much dem dey use cook all your.
That one na for village, everything dey available for village.
If we finish this food now wey we dey chop, you no bring napkin. If you finish am na wetin we go come do? Wetin I go use clean my hand? Eh?
You go use your trouser, you go rub am for your body.
I no understand. I go rub am for my body as well.
Yes, you go use your cloth clean am.
I go use my cloth clean am.
Yes.
As how? I no get you. No,
This one wey you wear, go wash am.
na you dey wash am.
The trouser wey you wear, go wash am.
Wetin come carry all dis kind?
Me wey dey wash the cloth give you the go ahead say use am clean hand if you eat finish. You say you no understand. When last you wash for dis house? You dey wash for dis house. When last did you wash in dis house?
The talk now don enter twist of fate.
Na question I dey ask you.
Make I use my wetin I hear for body clean
I
my
go
hand
wash
if I
am.
wa.
I go wash am.
You wan wash am dis time? No be wetin I wan use sleep.
Use am sleep like dat. I go wash am tomorrow morning.
Okay, see meat wey you pack full for your.
Meat dey your own na.
Oga, you thief. Get out.
Dis one na wey we no cover eye now. Chicken don dey enter.
No, cool down.
No.
See, two meat.
Meat dey your own too. We no cover eye now. Chicken don dey enter. Give me my meat back.
Wait. If I wait.
Give me my meat back. Give me my meat back.
Wait.
No be wetin be wait. Oga.
If wait, may I talk now?
Give me my meat back.
I'm a chef. See, I be chief for my village. This is what you do. If my kinsmen see am, problem don enter. Just return the meat. Make I quietly give it back.
Meat dey your own.
No be wetin dem dey talk. As long as the meat don enter my.
As long as the meat don waiting.
Oya na. This thing wey you did don enter issue.
I give you more meat more than my own. As long as wetin enter.
As the culture, as the tradition demand, this is where you took hand inside my.
Before I took hand inside your plate, you no first took hand inside my own plate.
You na woman na.
Okay. I hear.
Yeah. You don this is what you do. If I be, I go just carry those two meat pour for here. Beg me. Okay.
Like I don't believe.